Hey Rella, say hi to the camera. Say hi. Okay, that'll do. You want to try some barbecue sauce?
Yeah, that wasn't very good.
Is that good? It tasted good, didn't it?
You can drink out of a glass too. Here, let's get that out of your mouth.
Not too sure what to think about that, do you?
Ready for some water? Yeah, let's get that. Yum. Want some more? Want some more?
She wants more barbecue
Loves
sauce.
Barbecue sauce. Want some more water? Huh?
She's on camera, she can't focus on anything else.
You want some water? No.
Hey Rella. Hey. Peekaboo. Hey. Okay. Bye-bye.